planet?
Mercury.
Good job. What is the fastest dinosaur?
Salamanders.
Good job. What is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Good job. What is the water? What is the dinosaur that lives under the water? In the water? What is that dinosaur?
Allosaurus.
Good job. Oh, galing. What is the condition? Yun na. Galing ah. What is the condition to which the body colors turns yellow because of the build-up of bilirubin?
Jaundice.
Jaundice. What is the condition to which the body turns color blue because it lacks of oxygen?
Cyanosis.
Good job. What is the hottest planet?
Venus.
Good job. What is the red planet?
Mars.
Good job. What is the dinosaur with short arms and big or long legs? It is a tyrant dinosaur. Short arms, long legs, dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus. Good job. Here, what is the dinosaur with crest on the head?
Velociraptor.
Parasaurolophus. Good job. What is the dinosaur with hard skull and for headbutting?
Pachycephalosaurus.
Pachycephalosaurus. Good job. What is the flying dinosaur?
Pachycephalosaurus.
Flying dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus.
Good job. What is the cyanosis lacks of what element? Cyanosis lacks?
Yes.
Lacks? Cyanosis lacks?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Good job. Ang galing ng baby ko. What is